So this is a quick video just for the basics of getting into the SmartValve web app. So the SmartValve web app is the place where the data transfers to and from the application, which runs on the technician's mobile phones out in the field. So to access the web app, the URL is app.smartvalve.co.uk, but you'll obviously be given this URL when you log in. So this is what you'll see when you get to that URL and you click the big login button. If your browser's set to remember your login details, it will obviously auto-populate them. So username in here, password in here. If you've forgotten your username and your password, there are two links for you to click here. That will set up a chain reaction to send it to the nominated people in your business who can reset your passwords and look at your username for you. So I'm going to log in using my credentials. This is just into a test system with very little data in here. But I just wanted to quickly show you around the dashboard and what that gives. So this is the SmartValve dashboard. This is the point of entry for all logins into the SmartValve web app. So if this is for your organization, so we have all your data on it. This is just a test organization for our purposes of testing the application. So here you have your user details in which you can change your password yourself, log out, or some help features. Down the left-hand side, you have the main navigable areas of the SmartValve web app, which include the users, the valves, turn profiles, which is how the valves are operated, the operations logs, so that's all the operations in there, the DMA structure, the ability to set up operational groups, that's technician multi-valve groups, any issues and reporting as dictated by your business. But once you're on the dashboard, you get several things to look at straight away. Here, this is just a simple health report. So if there are any open issues, things that we know technically are wrong with the system, that will appear in here. Here, this just gives you a view of activity in the last 24 hours. This is a test system, so not much activity. We'll say how many people have logged in, how many operations have been completed, and what were those operations. Next underneath is the most recent operations. So these will be in chronological order with the newest at the top. If you want to see more, you click that and it will take you through to the full operations log here. Again, these are hyperlinks, so this will take you to that user's details, that will take you through to that valve, and this will take you through to the detail of that operation. So if there's a quick operation, you want to see the last one, dashboard, it's there, you can access all the data straight away. This is the detail for that last completed operation, so what the operation was and what valve, who it's completed by, its coordinates. And here, if there are any activities during May, which there aren't on this test system, this would be zoomed in and there'd be a heat map showing you where the activity had been. So it gives you a quick idea about where valves have been turned within your particular region. This is the geographic location of this operation, so these coordinates, so it tells you where it is. And again, you can zoom into this map. And then here, this is just a quick graph to show you how many valves have been tagged during the current month. So we haven't tagged any during May so far in our test system, but these are using the NFC chips. So we're using those not to tag all valves, but ones where they're in a particular cluster, where the GPS isn't as accurate as you want it to be, or tagging critical valves such as boundary valves, where you want to know that if that valve's been operated, if it's scanned beforehand, that both the operator and operational control know that valve's about to be operated. So that's the main elements of the dashboard. And when you log in, this is what you'll see every time. So there's other videos on here in terms of looking and searching for users and valves, and there's videos on how to look at the ops log, set up operations, and how to set up groups operations. So please access those videos for information on that. This is just a quick video to show you how to log into the system and what information you get on the dashboard when you log in for the first time.